Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dawson and today I'm going to show you how to recreate this classic shimmer or silver glitter eyeshadow makeup tutorial. I really like it. I was really wanting to use the last eyeshadow in this Milani Gilded Pastel palette, and the star of the show is called Disco Chick. And yeah, so it's not a disco look, but it is a classic smoky silver glitter look, and I really liked it. It made me feel like this. So yeah, I don't do these very often, so I figured, why not today? I have to use that silver anyway. But I'm going to first start off with this I Love Color Intensifying Eyeshadow Base from Essence to prime my lids. I use this on a daily basis. I really love it. I forgot how much it is, but Essence is a very affordable brand. You can get it at most places. I think I got this one at CVS, but you can go to their website, and I'm sure a lot of other places sell Essence products. But yeah, this is a great eyeshadow base, especially for the price. Now I'm going to go in with the Milani Gilded Pastel palette, and I'm going to use this matte gray shade, which is called Concrete Runway, and I'm going to make a fake cut crease and then fill in the eyelid area with this color. It's just going to be a great starter color for this silver smoky eye look. Now I'm going to blend it out, and now I'm going to go in with the Tarte Maneater palette, and I'm using the color Catcall, but you can use any matte black that you have in your collection. This was just the first one that I had pulled out in mine since the Milani Gilded Pastel palette didn't have it. I kind of wish it did, but I understand why it doesn't. Beggars can't be choosers. But yeah, and now I'm blending it out. And now I'm going to go with the star of the show color, which is Disco Chick. And I'm going to put this on the inner corner of the lid. This is such a freaking beautiful color. I absolutely love it. I really don't do these looks very often because I don't know. I just think it's more of a nighttime look, and I normally am taking my makeup off at night. Now I'm going to use my favorite eyeliner is the Joah Make Her Jealous Gel Eyeliner. And this is in the color, I think, black. Let's see. Yeah, black. And I'm going to put this on the upper lash line and the lower lash line, which I normally don't do the lower lash line. Now I'm going to use my Joah Line Up Liquid Eyeliner, waterproof. And this one's in Blackest Black. As you can tell, very easy to use. And very black and very affordable. Get it at CVS or on the Joah website. Now I'm going to use my favorite mascara. It is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara to coat my eyelashes before going in with these new falsies I have never used yet until today on camera. Is the Believe Beauty Fantasize Finish False Lashes, and it has glue included, and the glue actually worked surprisingly well. I did have to trim these down, so if you have bigger eyes than I do, then these probably will fit you. And trimming them down doesn't really sway me. I mean, I'm pretty used to it. I normally have to trim them down. And as you can tell, after I put it in the place that I'm satisfied with, I'm using these Kiss tweezers just to make them even closer. Now I'm going in with the Joah Pore De-Activator Pore Minimizing and Mattifying Primer. I'm almost out of this stuff, and I'm definitely going to have to repurchase because it just works so wonderfully, even for my dry skin. I don't know why it says mattifying, but hey, it works, and I love it, and it's affordable. Joah has some great products. Now I'm using the Joah Truly Yours Dark Circle Concealer to brighten. Oh, and this is actually called Brightener, and I'm doing it under the eyelids, and I'm also doing it in my chin area because I want a little bit fuller coverage, like, you know, conceal, because I have a lot of bad places in that area. Now I'm going in with the Joah Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer Stick, and this one is in the color Vanilla, and this is going to act as like, it's going to illuminate my skin, but it's also kind of like a very sheer foundation. And now I'm going in with the same thing, the Joah Crystal Glow Tinted Luminizer, but this is in the darkest shade Cocoa. And I'm going to use this just like a cream contour. And I'm doing this in a different way than I have on my previous videos. And I think this might be my new favorite way to actually wear it. This is the Joah Selfie Ready Setting Powder in the color Translucent. This is an excellent powder, so fine, milled, and it doesn't emphasize anything bad, in my opinion. Now I'm using the Joah Brow Down to Me Precision Brow Pencil, and this is in the color Cool Taupe. And now I'm going on the lower lash line with that same gray color as we used a while ago, the Concrete Runway on the lower lash line. Blending it out and putting more Essence mascara under on my bottom lashes. Now I'm going to blush up my look using the Milani 01 Romantic Rose Powder Blush. And it's just going to warm up my face a little bit, make it rosy. Now I'm using the Joah Crystal Glow Jelly Balm Highlighter. And I love that highlight. Now I'm using the Makeup Revolution Makeup Obsession lip gloss in the color Hooked. And to finish off the look, I'm using the Joah Crystal Glow Refreshing Luminizer Skin Mist. I hope you enjoyed this classic silver glitter eyeshadow look makeup tutorial. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time, buddies. Bye!